Epimedium or horny goatweed, the herbal aphrodisiac. Horny goatweed, also known as Epimedium, Yin-Yang Huo, Inyokaku, Xian Ling Pai, Baronwort, a medicinal plant used in traditional Chinese medicine, increases blood flow, dilates blood vessels, and fights against infections too. These effects can be useful for those who are suffering from heart problems or bronchitis, but the plant helps sexual functions too, according to its properties. Although we can hear more and more about Epimedium's contribution on increased testosterone level and muscular volume, there are no scientific research as yet to prove this. The title horny goatweed is a collective noun for the herbal plants from Epidemium species, originated from the forests of China and Korea. This annual plant is extremely colorful with flowers from yellow to red and gradually darkening leaves during the summer. An ancient Chinese legend says that the plant got his name from a goat herdsman who was an eyewitness of a goat's horny rampage after consuming Epimedium. For medical purposes in China, the leaves are collected, then dried and treated with lamb's fat, before used as an aphrodisiac. During centuries, men confirmed that horny goatweed improves their sexual performance. In our days, Epimedium is advertised as a natural alternative for Viagra, for both men and women, or as a muscular increasing formula. It's sold in many forms, crude, as a tea, extract, capsules, but mostly as a component of complex formulas. Why is used horny goatweed by sportsmen? When testosterone level is low, there are obvious signs of decreased sexual functions, libido and physical performance. Active sportsmen or aging people are experiencing negative changes in performance, in sport or in bedroom, caused by low testosterone level, and to raise this some of them takes horny goatweed. While there are proofs that horny goatweed improves sexual performance, boosting libido, the plant's effect on increased testosterone level and muscular volume wasn't documented. Medical properties. According to researchers, the Epimedium can be used in the following cases: low libido, erection problems, sterility, premature ejaculation, micturition, bronchitis, paining periods, coronary artery problems, high blood pressure after climax. Horny goatweed primarily used as an aphrodisiac and is capable to bring you in a state of excitement and keep you there several hours. According to Chinese descriptions, horny goatweed has a positive effect on yin, which is the essence of life, or more exactly the sperm itself. Contains many biochemical substances. It's hard to find out which is the most active, but most of the scientists vote the ichorine. Chinese studies claims that the heart and the vascular system can benefit too from the use of the Epimedium, because the plant reduces the high blood pressure and provides optimal blood circulation by preventing the formation of gouts, thanks to the ichorine and flavonoid compounds. Anything that influences the circulatory system has effects also on the sexual functions. By dilating blood vessels and improving circulation, horny goatweed increases sensitivity and functionality of sexual organs. It's well known that when blood circulation is obstructed by obesity or high blood pressure, it's very difficult to maintain an erection. An unpublished double-blind experiment shows that a herbal formula containing horny goatweed increased with 60% the sexual pleasure on healthy men, and with 40% on Viagra users. Nowadays, if a woman with low libido goes to the doctor, her testosterone level will be checked for sure. This notorious male hormone is responsible for the sexual desire even in case of women. So increasing testosterone level, horny goatweed not only helps managing low libido for both men and women, but can also be an aid for erection problems. The plant can be effective in treating barrenness too. In China, a study on humans demonstrated that Epimedium raised the sperm count and density. Others have demonstrated that those who have been using this plant experienced positive changes in their sexual, but also in their everyday life. According to chemist Yuping Zhu, co-writer of the Chinese Materia Medica, 5% of horny goatweed users has been cured from bronchitis, and more spectacular than the other patients with usual treatment. The positive effects are caused by polysaccharides, the antiviral and antimicrobial compounds of horny goatweed. More researchers are needed to discover all of the secrets of Epimedium plant. There are no solid proofs that horny goatweed increases testosterone level or muscular volume, but for sure help men to fight their impotence problems. Scientists are still looking for effects on lungs diseases and circulatory problems. Horny goatweed decreases blood pressure, so those who have low blood pressure may not use it. Epimedium grandiflorum, the Japanese Epimedium, caused respiratory problems in big doses, but for treating impotence are used the plants from Epimedium sagittatum and Epimedium brevicornum species. Horny goatweed rarely may dry the mouth or cause nausea. There are no other known side effects. Horny goat weed pills must be taken with meal 1 to 2 hours before sexual intercourse. This video has been made in Content Samurai. Try it for free or get a 25% discount below.